Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to send Google Sheets file as attachment to new Razorpay customer. So basically, we are going to begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is my Google Sheet and it has been titled products. So the idea is that when a customer makes an order, doesn't matter which product is, he will be getting this attachment, this spreadsheet on his email address. Let me just show you. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh the checkout page and make some entry. So let's say a person called as Lyjim is filling the details. So this is the email of Lyjim. Okay. gmail27@gmail.com. Okay, so the first name is Lyjim, the last name is O'Reilly. This is the email, this is the phone number, and this is the amount. Let me just click on pay. Okay, so we are going with the card. So these are the details of the card. Okay, and let me just enter the CVV and just click on pay. Skip saving card and success. Okay, so basically the idea is that after the payment is successful, the person will be getting this particular Google Sheet in their email address. So let me just take you to Lyjim's email address. So as you can see, we will be soon having an email from me basically. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the email containing the attachment. So let me just show you. Okay, so this is the attachment. Basically, we have the same details that is present here, also here. So now you are thinking, how did I manage to send the Google Sheet file to a new customer in Razorpay? So basically, I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Razorpay, Google Drive, and Gmail. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you how it's done. So in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. Pabbly.com it is. Okay, so this is the window of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Razorpay, Google Drive, and Gmail. Now before I do that, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, I have already integrated Razorpay, Google Drive, and Gmail. Now I'm going to shut off this workflow. The reason I'm switching off this workflow is because since we are going to create a new workflow, this old workflow running in parallel to it will give the problem of duplication of result. So basically, to avoid this problem that the same email should be given to a person twice, I have switched off this workflow. It is actually none of your concern because we are going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. Okay, so we are going to give the name Razorpay to Google Drive to Gmail. And let me just fix the spelling. Okay, let me just click on create. Now of course you can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally up to you. Okay, so when you click on OK, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now in case if you want to clone this workflow, the link of the template is available in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Razorpay? Razorpay it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as order paid? Okay, so the trigger event is order paid. Okay, so the idea is that whenever a new order is processed, the customer that has made that payment will be added as a new customer. Obvious, that is. Okay, so basically the gist is at this point we are just trying to integrate Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away take you to Razorpay. So this is my Razorpay account and all you have to do is just scroll down and at the near left bottom you will find the option that is settings. Click on settings. Okay, so as you can see we have added a ton of webhooks. Now for your consideration I'm going to click on add new webhook. Okay, so we have to give a webhook URL. So your obvious question is what is this webhook URL? So this is how you get the webhook URL. You basically just copy this and simply paste it here. Easy? Okay. The secret can be left empty. Alert email is basically the email address with which you have signed in to your Razorpay account. Now, the active event is basically when the order is paid. So I'm going to click on this checkbox and let me just click on create webhook. Okay, give it some seconds. Okay, I'm sorry, the maximum number of webhook is 5. So let me just delete one. Okay, so let me just click on delete. I'm just going to delete this webhook. Okay, and instead of that, I'm going to create a new webhook. Basically the same process. Copy this and simply paste it here, and the secret will remain empty. The alert email is basically the same. All you have to do is just click on order paid. I hope you understand why I have deleted the webhook, because only 5 webhooks are allowed. So we have created a new webhook. Excellent. So basically the gist is we have successfully integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. Now this basically means that anytime a new order is paid in Razorpay, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this checkout page, okay, and make some entry. So let's say a guy called as Matthew Perry is filling in the detail. The first name is Matthew, the last name is Perry. This is the email address where which he will be getting the email attachment, and this is the phone number, and of course this is the amount. Let me just click on pay. Okay, go to cards. We are going to fill the cards. Okay, so let me just enter card details. Let me just click on pay. Skip saving card. Success. Okay, yes, a payment has been made by a person called as Matthew Perry with email address michaelkaras481@gmail.com. Excellent. So basically the gist is now Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with Razorpay and since we have set the trigger as order paid, it should have captured the data. So let's have a look. Yes, the data has been captured. So the event is basically order paid. That's basically what we wanted. And this is the amount. Okay, let me just scroll down even more, and here are the details of the customer. We have the name, we have basically the email. So this is the email. Then we have the phone number. Then we have the name. Okay, then we have the last name, and again the rest of the details. So basically we have got all the details. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to send this particular Google Sheet to Michael Karas. Michael Karas is Matthew Perry is our customer, and this is his email address. So this is how you do it. Now this particular Google Sheet is present in my Google Drive. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on this plus button, and in the choose app, I'm going to mention it as Google Drive because we want to make sure that this file has a shareable link. Okay, so basically this file should have a shareable link. So let me just go to the action event. Let me just scroll down and click on share a file with anyone, and let me just click on connect. Click on connect with Google Drive. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a series of Gmail account. Now my sheet, this particular sheet that is product, is present in this account. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so basically this is the Google Drive in which this Google spreadsheet is present. Okay, so before I press allow, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Authorization successful, just press OK. Okay, so by default it is showing the file ID as product. Now this is because I have a ton of products. Doesn't matter it's a spreadsheet, doesn't matter it's a JPG, MP3, MP4 file, all the files are reflected here. So out of all these files that is present in my Google Drive, I'm selecting this one, products. Okay, so basically the idea is that we are going to create a shareable link. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so it is showing basically anyone with a link. So anyone with the link that has been given to him can access this file. And we do have some format. For example, this is the format for sharing the PDF. Okay, application-/PDF. And this is basically the file that we are going to share. Okay, XML format. So this is the link. And then we have the CSV. Okay, and this is the associated link. And then we have the zip. So basically we do have some formats. Now out of all these formats, I'm going to share this one. Okay. This is the format that I want to share, open XML format. Now we are going to use Gmail to send the email containing this attachment. So let's make the choose app as Gmail. Gmail it is. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send an email with attachment. Click this, click on connect. Connect with Gmail. Okay, so I'm planning to send email from this primary account. This is my account through which I usually send my emails. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just simply press allow. Authorization successful, just press OK. So we do have some fields, that is recipient email, CCC, BCC, from name, subject, reply to, plain email message, and attachment. So the basic purpose of these fields is very simple. We are going to create or compose a message from the data that we have received from Razorpay via Pabbly Connect. So we have the recipient name. So this is how you map the recipient name. You just click on the first accordion, and this is the recipient email. So let me just scroll down. Yeah, this is the recipient email. Then let's ignore the CCC, BCC, from name. The subject is product list. Okay, so this is the subject. And the simple email message is hello. And let's map the name. The name is Matthew Perry, I think so. The name was Matthew Perry, yes, Matthew. And we are going to map the last name, Perry. Okay, hello Matthew Perry. Enter a comma. Thanks for purchase. This, thanks for purchase. Let's enter a full stop. This is your product list. Okay, so basically, hello Matthew Perry, thanks for purchase. This is your product list. And after that, we are going to simply just share the attachment. So this is the attachment, and that is XML format, XLM format. So where is the XLM format? Okay, nope, 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 nope. Where is that XML format? Oh yeah, this is the one. So basically we have entered sufficient detail to send the email. All you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the mail. So let me just do that. Okay, so the response is the message has been sent. So let's have a look into Michael Perry's email address. So let me just straight away take you to Michael Perry or Michael Kara's email address. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this is the message. Hello Matthew Perry, thanks for purchase. This is your product list. So Matthew Perry can explore this list containing the list of products I have. Okay, so what's next? So basically this is the end. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm just minimizing all of my windows. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and this particular file, that is the product, is present in my Google Drive. So I made sure that I create a shareable link, and after that you have integrated Gmail to Pabbly Connect, and then you have composed a message, attached the file link and send it. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Razorpay and Gmail. Excellent.